Keto Kings and Queens. I hope you're all doing fabulous today. So we're going to be making some air-fried, zero-carb chicken wings. I started by lining the bottom of my air fryer. I used my keto blend in the palm of my hand, and I just kind of rubbed them down for that little bit of extra fat. As you can see, I did not use any seasonings because the sauce that I'm using is sweet, it's spicy, and seasoned, so any additional seasonings would just throw it off. So after I was done, went ahead and put that in the air fryer, and I set that at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. By the way, chicken with no seasonings have 0 carbs. After the first 10 minutes, I pulled them out and I flipped them all over, stuck them back in for another 20 minutes, and they were done, but I did an additional 10 minutes to make them extra crispy, and they were just gorgeous. This sauce contains no sugar, no carbs. It's sweet, spicy, delicious. You're not going to be disappointed. I got it from Walmart, and guys, please go home and make this today because you are going to love it. Please follow for more.